This module will cover the Software Inventory tab in the Asset module. To begin, simply hover over the left panel and select Software in the Asset module to continue. In the Software Inventory tab, view a list of software installed on systems where the agent has been deployed. When devices are discovered using the Infraon agent, the software installed on these devices is listed under the module and categorized by the manufacturer. On the left panel, select a manufacturer to view the software associated with that specific manufacturer. On the software page, important details such as name, version, software type, manufacturer, and total instances are displayed. The total instances reflect the count of devices utilizing that particular software. Additionally, there is an action column for marking the software as either a whitelist or a blacklist item. Click on the software to view more details. This will redirect to a detailed software page, which can reflect details such as the device's hostname where the software is installed, as well as the application type, manufacturer, status, and software version. In the Installed Devices section, the hostname of the device with the installed asset, along with its IP address, device type, and vendor details can be viewed. Establish connections to specific software using CI relations. To add a relationship, click on the Add a Relationship option located at the top right corner of the page. Here manage both downstream and upstream relationships. A downstream relationship allows technicians to select subordinate assets, devices, or users that are connected to the particular software, creating a relationship hierarchy. The upstream relationship refers to the connections and dependencies between activities, processes, or components that occur earlier in the service delivery chain. Upstream and downstream are terms that describe the flow of activities, processes, or dependencies within an organization's IT environment. These are essential in incident management, change management, and service delivery processes. Let's add an upstream relationship for this example. Among the available properties, such as Part of, technicians can select the part of the selected configuration item, CI, backed up by a cluster, connected to, connects, consumes, and more. Select the search option to easily locate the property from the drop-down menu. Once the property has been selected, click on Next. In the Map Impacted CI tab, add the dependent CI from the drop-down column. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's choose User. This filters the list to users that have been added to the tool. Select the appropriate user. Following the selection, click Submit to create the relationship. Infraon provides 3 different types of views for this page: Software View, List View, and the Map View. In the List View, technicians can see the relationships that have been established for the specific device, including properties, the data, and the dependency mappings. There's also a map view where data can be visualized geographically. Furthermore, on the Software Inventory page, technicians can add blacklist and whitelist labels for particular software items. Easily manage the software preferences by clicking on the green icon for the whitelist and red icon for the blacklist. After clicking on the whitelisting option, a configuration page will appear. On this page, provide a profile for the specific software, including a description. Technicians can also choose to blacklist the software if desired. Upon completion, the software will be automatically mapped to the whitelist. After submitting, the software is labeled as whitelisted. To add software to the blacklist, select the red icon, and a configuration page will prompt to enter the profile name and other details. Clicking Submit, the blacklist label will be applied. Notifications about the download of whitelisted or blacklisted software will be sent to the device owner. For importing software via CSV, click on Import from CSV, located at the top right corner of the screen. Select Software. Download the CSV template by clicking on CSV File. Open the downloaded file, add the application name, version, vendor, software type, description, installed on that is the host name, and the current status. Technicians can enter multiple software entries simultaneously. After entering all necessary details, save the CSV file. Proceed by clicking Upload to upload the edited file. Click Next to move forward. On the column matching page, match the mandatory fields to CSV columns as needed. For convenience, filter the mandatory options by clicking on the Show Only Mandatory icon. When finished, click Import to complete the process. The validation field will display the valid records. Proceed with these valid records to add the software details on the Software Details page. Once the software has been added, it will be reflected on the Software Inventory page. Within the same Import from CSV option, there's another feature adjacent to the software, the CI relation. Click on it to add the CI relation for the software listed on the Software Inventory page. To start this process, select the software category that best meets the technician needs. After selecting the category, download the corresponding CSV file, fill in the details, and upload it after adding the CI relations. It's important to note that to establish a configuration item CI relationship, at least one piece of information is necessary: the host name, IP address, or an asset name. With this information in hand, click Next, and then upload the same CSV file. This process is akin to the one while adding a software inventory. Moreover, on the Software Inventory page, technicians can find the Search tab on the top panel. Here, technicians can search for software added to the inventory using the software name, host name, or version number. Add a filter based on various fields like name, version, type, and manufacturer. Conditions can be adjusted according to the chosen field. After setting the filter, click Save to save the settings for future references. This concludes the Software Inventory page in the Infraon Infinity Suite.